Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're working on the 26 Ram, and I'm just gonna add a little piece of flair that I usually do on all my Cummins, and maybe you like it too. But so you can buy these a dime a dozen. This is the black with the red Cummins. I will link this down on the Zon. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim this out, and it's gonna go in the grill. But I'm only gonna use the C for the Cummins. I did this one because it has a black grill, and all the rest of my badges are black with red. But I didn't want this whole thing in my grill. I've never done that. When I had chrome grills, I put the chrome on. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button, helps a small channel out, and thumbs up and notification bell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a utility knife. You could use an X-Acto knife, but the blades aren't as strong, and this is going to take several swipes through it. All right, so I'm going to take my utility knife here, and I'm going to cut along this groove. Now, if you have a paint pen like I have in my arsenal of stuff for playing around, I'm going to cut along this bottom of this C several times, and then it will snap in half. Then once you actually get it about 8 or 9 swipes to the bottom, then you'll kind of see that it just kind of flakes. You'll just cut it on the back just like you'd cut drywall. So now we have our C, and I will just paint this bottom with my my paint pen, and it lasts pretty good. It already has its 3M tape. You can do with this piece whatever you want. Now let's go out to the truck and get it prepped, and we'll get this put on. All right, so where I like to always put this is just kind of right down here in this corner. See how nice it looks with, it's just a very subtle custom piece, kind of goes with everything else. Clean this surface area here with some rubbing alcohol water mix, and now we're just going to peel off the tape and affix it. And voila. Like I said, it's just a little flash of subtle customization, and I don't know, just always done it. So anyway, hopefully that was fun. Those badges are less than 15 bucks. All colors, all whatever. That's all there is to it. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully this one was fun. We'll catch you on the next one.